You can get paid $632 for lifetime free pure passive income from a new website that I'm about to reveal in this video. Just stay with me. This is going to be awesome strategy by which you can make more than $600 or $1,000. More work you do, more money you can make. So without wasting any more time, jump back to action. The site that I want to use is called spyfu.com. Yes, this is spyfu, spyfu.com. This is a really cool site. Definitely they are naming spy, so definitely something to spy about in this website. So all it takes is simply go over to this spyfu websites and you can see that unlimited SEO and PPC data starting at only $33 per month. But wait, you do not have to invest any money. We are just using these websites to earn money. So what this website is all about, this website is like SEO and PPC data providing, and this provide, if you just scroll down and you can see that this website will take your any domain, any competitor's domain. If you have a website or if you have an online presence, you have an online business, you have competitor. So if you just want to rank on Google search, you have to compete with others, a similar business. So all it takes is you have to if you just know how they're ranking on the first page, so that it will help you to rank on your own Google's first page as well. So definitely you need to spy on those competitors. So these tools comes in that place. So if you just go spyfu.com and buy their service, and if you simply input the domain of your competitors, and it will analyze that domain and it will specify you what's the weak points, what's the strong points, what keywords they're ranking for, what ads they're placing, how they're targeting their customers. Every details they will show you, and within minutes, within seconds. And this will be very helpful if you are building your business, or if you are promoting your product or business on Google, and you want to place on first page on Google, and it will be very helpful for you. So people like that will definitely want to use this service. So how we're going to make money with that? We are not going to buy this service, so we are going to promote the service. Yes, this is another affiliate strategy, but it is a bit different than other strategies. This is really just simply stay with me to learn this strategy. You just go over to spyfu.com, scroll down, and you can see that they have an affiliate sections in their user links. Under user links, you just click on this affiliate link, and it will show something like this: Spyfu affiliate program, and see what they are saying: recurring commissions with 40% payout for life. So this is really awesome. If you just bring one customers, and if you just go over to their pricing plans, so we just head over to pricing plans, you can see that they have a good pricing plan, and most cases people's on that then who have business definitely would like to buy professional plans. So if we just get 1 month plans like $79, you get 40% commissions. And so no matter what, the longer those customers stay on that platform, you will get recurring commissions month after month, and this is for lifetime. So this is one-time work. Again, this is one-time work. One customer you can start earning passively without any work from further on. So we are really interested in to bring customers who have business, who have competitions, who want to learn more about their competitors. So how we are going to use that. So let me just stay with me. I'm going to show you easy way how you can get those customers to SpyFu and sell this service to them. And definitely SpyFu is a professional service. People will definitely stay forever in this service, because when they get their data, when they get profit from SpyFu, they definitely will stay and buy more service from this. So we are going to second websites where we want to generate keywords that is product related. So we jump back into the second website, which is called infinitesuggest.com. infinitesuggest.com. This is a keyword search website. If you just click on it, and for this video purpose I search for weight loss keyword. So I search for weight loss and hit enter, and it is showing me all the weight loss related keyword terms out there right now. So I'm just looking for a product related keyword, right? So I pick like weight loss pills here in the 10th positions. I pick weight loss pills. So I just copy this and search it on Google. So here it is. I search weight loss pills on Google's, and you can see that all the weight loss pills related search are out there, but no ads on the first page. So how we are going to do that? So you can see that there are ads in there, but they are in the second page. If you just search it on Google weight loss pills, you will see no ads on first page. So if you go over to the second page, you can see that I am on second page now, and you can see that second page has some ads. So these ads are not getting so much ranking, and their lack of ranking data, so they are falling behind. So they need to be on the first page to get more viewers, more subscribers, more customers to their business. So how we can use this is our prospects, this is our target customers. So we go over to these two websites. First one is diet pills for women, and this is the site, and if you just scroll down, and you can contact them by their email or contact from there is a phone number, there is an email, there is a contact from there. If you just go over there and contact them and ask them about this SpyFu, that and say that it will increase your ranking on Google and it will bring more customers to you, they definitely would love to buy this. And the second ad, that is lose 10 kg. This is a Unimeal site, unimeal.com websites ads. So go over to these websites, and if you just go over to their menu, and here there is a email and phone, you can contact them by there. Also they have a social profiles. I search it on Facebook, and there they are. You can message them on Facebook and saying that is this about your SpyFu plan and how you can get higher ranking of your ads on Google first page, and you will get more customers. So definitely, if you say honestly, this is going to be awesome, and those people definitely want to try this SpyFu service, because they have money. They are placing ads on Google, so definitely they invest some money there. So they definitely want to try and invest on a SpyFu to try this offer. So this is the one time, and then if you just bring them to try it for one time, and when they get results, they will going to stay forever on SpyFu. And this is where the success comes in. You earn money, recurring commissions, month after month, year after year. So this is the way, this is the easy way. You spend sometimes every day, and you bring customers, and it's getting 10 customers, 10-20 customers is very easy, and it will bring you like $600, $1,000 every month without any problem. It will become pure passive income, one time work, set and forget, and we will make money over and over again. And this is the strategy today. If you like this method, just hit the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my videos every day. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.